Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. OpenX is a prominent player in the advertising technology landscape. Founded in 2008, this company has cemented its position as a key provider of programmatic advertising solutions. Focusing primarily on the open exchange environment, OpenX connects publishers and advertisers, facilitating the buying and selling of ad inventory through real-time bidding and other automated processes. Their platform boasts advanced functionalities, including sophisticated targeting capabilities, fraud detection mechanisms, and yield optimization tools, all designed to maximize revenue for publishers and ensure effective campaign delivery for advertisers. One of OpenX's core strengths lies in its commitment to transparency and quality. They've implemented rigorous standards to combat fraudulent traffic and maintain a brand-safe environment for advertisers. This dedication to quality has fostered trust among premium publishers, leading to a robust marketplace with high-value inventory. Furthermore, OpenX continuously invests in research and development, exploring new technologies and innovations to enhance their platform and stay ahead of the evolving digital advertising ecosystem. Their exploration of areas like header bidding and mobile advertising demonstrates their proactive approach to adapting to industry trends. Beyond their technological prowess, OpenX emphasizes building strong relationships with their clients. They provide dedicated support and consulting services to help both publishers and advertisers navigate the complexities of programmatic advertising and achieve their respective goals. This client-centric approach differentiates them in a competitive market and contributes to their continued growth and success. With a global presence and a diverse client base, OpenX remains a driving force in shaping the future of digital advertising. They continuously strive to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the advertising ecosystem, fostering a more transparent and mutually beneficial environment for all stakeholders. Their ongoing efforts in promoting industry best practices and developing innovative solutions solidify their position as a leader in the programmatic advertising space.